For 2026, we're raising the bar for cordless. Not just in runtime, but in how the tools perform throughout the day and the confidence you feel when you pick them up. With our new TBX Tabless Battery technology, we are delivering real, measurable gains across the entire 18-volt system. More power to run longer, more power to work faster, and more power to build better. Let's take a look at what's behind it.
TBX stands for Tabless Battery Extra Power. We redesigned the battery from the inside out, so more energy goes to the tool. And they will be available in two sizes, a 4 amp hour and an 8 amp hour.
The TBX gave us longer runtime, less charging time, and better performance.
The Domino system has always been about strong, rotation-proof joinery, built for speed and consistency. What professionals depend on isn't just strength, it's repeatability. So we refined the platform to improve repeatability even further. These updates reduce setup variability and speed up repeatable workflows, especially on-site. And with a 4.0 TBX battery, you can achieve up to 270 mortises per charge. That's more than enough capacity for a typical job site installation. We're introducing two cordless trim routers, each built for precision, each optimized for control, and both ideally paired with the compact TBX4 battery. The TBX4 keeps these tools light, balanced, and agile. Exactly what you want in edge work. Brushless EC Tech motors, micro depth adjustment, excellent balance and center of gravity, and clean, controlled dust management. These tools are built for repeatable, finish-ready results. The OFKC 500 is the specialist. It's purpose-built for chamfers, roundovers, and flush trimming. The cutter mounts directly to the spindle, bringing the bit closer to the base opening, which increases stability and reduces tipping. The result is extremely clean, consistent edge profiles. This is the new HLC 82 cordless planer. What sets it apart is the finish it leaves behind. At the center of the HLC 82 is a single knife spiral cutter head. Compared to traditional straight knives, it reduces tear out, chatter, and visible knife marks. So in many cases, you can move directly to the next step with little or no sanding. Paired with the updated 5.0 high power battery, the HLC 82 delivers corded level performance in a balanced cordless format. For extended runtimes during heavy stock removal, the TBX 8 is ready. The TSC 55KS isn't just a saw, it's part of a cutting system. For maximum runtime in demanding cutting applications, it pairs exceptionally well with the TBX 8 battery, delivering sustained power for sheet goods, panels, countertops, and finished materials. Running on a single battery keeps the saw lighter and better balanced while still delivering exceptional cutting performance. Inside is the latest brushless EC Tech motor paired with the new and refined thin curved blade. The refined tooth geometry reduces resistance, improves cut quality, and increases efficiency. The result? Faster cuts, less effort, more cuts per charge. And with kickback stop, the motor shuts down almost instantly if a sudden movement is detected. It's an active layer of protection, working in the background without affecting performance. This is the updated HKC 55K cordless circular saw, built for demanding job site work. Paired with the TBX 8 battery, the HKC 55 delivers sustained cutting power for framing, rafter cuts, and dimensional lumber. Improved electronics and the latest brushless motor technology deliver more cutting performance. Paired with the thin curved blade, the saw delivers up to 3 times faster cuts. Material resistance is reduced, which means smoother cuts and optimized runtime. Like the TSC, it features kickback stop technology.
Festool has partnered with Southland Trailers and Bought USA for a contest we're calling the Cordless Test Drive, which is Festool North America's largest contest ever and includes everything you see here. And we're giving away 2 of these, one in the United States where it's valued at over 30,000 USD and one in Canada where it's valued at over 40,000 Canadian dollars. These will be the 2 main prizes, but there's also going to be a 2nd through 10th prize in both Canada and the United States. The tools are divided into two categories. The first category is all the new tools that will be released in 2026. The second group of tools will be ones that have already been out for a while and are time tested and proven. All these tools will then be packed inside this 7x16 Royal Cargo by Southland Trailers, which will be safely organized and secured inside the trailer with the bot trailer system. 9 other winners will win the TSE 55KS Track Saw and 1400 guide rail. Now here's how to enter the contest. You register a Festool Cordless tool. Then after you've used it for a bit, you submit a review of your honest opinion of the tool. If you don't already own a warranty-eligible Festool tool, you can right now take advantage of their 30-day risk-free trial, which means you can go out and buy one of the Festool tools, try it out, and if you don't like it, return it for a full refund. For full details on the contest, you can visit the link in the description. The contest opens soon, so mark your calendars, and we can't wait to hear about the experiences you've had with the Festool tools.